In this video, I'm going to explain to you a very, very good tool to use as part of your problems with diabetes type 1 or type 2. And I do explain type 1. A lot of people who've got type 1, they give up. They get given insulin or some other drug, right? Or part of the system in the medical system. I have found by and by you can help your diabetes type 1 or type 2 by knowing what to eat and when to eat and how to cook it. Now, this is the third type of rice that I'm explaining. I've explained wild rice, I've explained brown rice, and this one is from the French Camargue, which is an area in France. It's called a red French Camargue, red, and I got that at Sainsbury's. Pretty hard to get at times, but this is a very good red rice because it's a high carbohydrate but low sugar. It breaks down easily, but it doesn't break down so fast that it pumps too many insulin and too many enzymes and forces your pancreas to be stressed. Now, the Camargue red is the beautiful looking rice. It's a red color, and what you do with it, you boil it just like with other rice, but you make it soft. Now, one of our best combination I've recommended is 40% red French Camargue rice, 40% brown rice, and 20% wild rice. That combination is brilliant for reducing the effect of too much sugar in the body. When you have the 40-40-20 mixture, that regulates your blood sugar. It doesn't put so much pressure on your pancreas. It also helps your liver to break down the sugar and the fats from the foods you eat. And when you eat that, it'll go a long way towards reducing the effects of too much simple sugar in the body. That will give you complex sugars. The combination of red rice, wild rice, and brown rice is a series of complex sugars. Now, we find it really beneficial if you put about a teaspoon of sel de Guérin, which is from France, in the cooking, and then when the rice is cooked, you add extra virgin olive oil, you can have avocado oil, apple cider vinegar, and your herbs. And that creates a fantastic dish by itself. Now, if you found this video useful, please share the link with others. Subscribe to our channel. On the right of the word subscribe, you will see a bell icon. You press the bell icon and select all, so you'll receive the notification each time we publish a new video, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And you remember to download our ebook, and the link is in the comments below. What you will receive is this book that I wrote during the lockdown, and you'll find that it's a very beneficial book with lots of tips and tools to use to heal your diabetes. Do ask for that and you'll get some great benefits.